Hello everybody, I hope you are all doing very well. Today I will be sharing about the upcoming full moon. So we are going to experience a full moon in 3 degrees of Capricorn the 24th of June. That will happen at 7:39 London time and 9:39 Athens time. So this month has been already very intense. I'm sure you already felt the strong energies, and it started with a very powerful solar eclipse and new moon in Gemini on the 10th of June. It's picking up now with the summer solstice happening the 21st. We have a very strong full moon coming up in Capricorn, and also this month is a month of retrograde, so we have 5 planets in retrograde in total going in retrograde. So let's talk about it in detail. So we have now already Saturn and Pluto and Mercury in retrograde. So we are having Jupiter joining the retrograde party on the 20th of June. When Jupiter goes into retrograde can make us feel a little bit shaky regarding our belief system, and can bring the truth on the surface, uncovering secrets and the truth. Also we have Neptune joining the retrograde on the 25th of June. So it's going to be straight after the full moon in Capricorn. The good news is that Mercury will go direct on the 22nd of June, straight after the summer solstice. So that will make you feel give you lots of clarity, and will make you feel like sure about what action you want to take, where you want to go. Because when Mercury is in retrograde, it might bring a lot of lack in communication, lots of confusion. So this is going to be soon. You will be soon having a clearer direction for your life. So indeed, we have a very strong mix of energies. So that make you feel that you are pulled into all these kind of different directions. And as I said in a previous video, this energy started in May 26th when we have the full moon and lunar eclipse, and it's going to continue for the next 6 months until the end of October. So this is a period for clearing. We are clearing things as a collective, and can be very strong, as we can't create anything new based on the old. So that is all what this energy is doing. So the full moons in general, it's our time for healing, for letting go, for releasing whatever is not serving us anymore. And because this full moon is in 3 degrees of Capricorn, the energy of Capricorn is a very grounding and a very earthy energy. It has to do a lot with structure, with work, with business, with ambition, with long-term plans. So it's an energy that we might make you feel, ask this question to yourself: what really matters for me? What do I want to hold precious into my heart and take it with me into my next step? And what do I really have to let go in terms of achieving my goal in the future? So it's a great time for making long-term plans. It's a great time for new projects, for starting a new career, for starting a new business. It's a great time for connecting with like-minded people, with collaborating with people, doing events, workshops together. It's a great time for creating communities. It's a great time for creating home-based businesses, online businesses. And also this energy is gonna make you it's going to help you lay the solid foundations once you separate what can come with you and what has to leave, and really stay committed and dedicated to what you love, so you can achieve your long-term goals. So also another thing that I wanted to share, in this full moon we have lots of water energy. So this might make you feel very emotional, very sensitive, can be overwhelming sometimes. So this is this is a very good thing at the other side of the coin, because this brings a lot of very deep wounds and traumas that usually we are not able to see them, and this energy will elevate them, bring them up to the surface so we can see them and release them. And most of the times there are things that are really stopping us from achieving our goals. Can be ancestral patterns, can be old family wounds that really stopping us to really be on our goal and to follow our highest path. So this is a great time for working on these old wounds. So I hope this information is helpful for you. If you want to know more about this, how this full moon will affect your personal birth chart, I'm doing personal readings, so feel free to contact me via email. Also, I'm going to be leading a meditation for the 24th via Zoom, so if you want to join, I will put the link below. And I'm also going to be sharing an article giving you more details about the energies of this full moon, and I will also put it down in the comments. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoy my content and my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click like or comment. That is very, very helpful for me to continue doing these videos. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Thank you.